Many of you would be thinking about that when will RBI Grade B notification come out. Most of the students have already started discussing about it, maybe in the YouTube comments as well as on various platforms. Yes, after 4th June, after elections, in first week only RBI Grade B notification is going to come out. This is what one of the students had said. Now, considering all these things, let us today try to discuss about RBI Grade B exam 2024 expected notification dates. And not only that, I will take you through various strategy points and important facets also which you should be knowing about if you are already preparing for RBI Grade B exam, or maybe if you are that last person who is still thinking that can I prepare for RBI Grade B exam or not. So let's jump in and decide and look into that what is the real deal about the notification. These are the things which we are going to see today in this particular session. Exam dates. Very quickly, I'll tell you about eligibility, qualification, previous exam dates and vacancies, exam patterns, syllabus, trend analysis, cutoff, career profile, and salary. Everything compact in just 10-15 minutes. Done. Every information would be at your place. Now, first thing is about exam dates. As I already told you, 4th June should be our reference point. Expected notification would be only after elections. Now consider this, that if you look at it, you can expect the notification either in the second week of June or maybe in the third week of June. This is very high chance that second week of June and third week of June, you can 100% expect the notification from RBI. And here, if you look at it, then you will get July month completely as your registration time. यानी कि अगर आप देखते हो कि 4 जून के बाद आरबीआई का नोटिफिकेशन कब आएगा, पहले सेबी का नोटिफिकेशन आएगा, बिकॉज सेबी का नोटिस ऑलरेडी आ चुका है. देन यू कुड सी कि सेबी के बाद आरबीआई आ सकता है. सो आई थिंक दैट इफ अगर इमीडिएटली आफ्टर इलेक्शंस इन फर्स्ट सेकेंड वीक अगर सेबी आ जाता है, तो ब्रीफली इन अ गैप ऑफ 1-2 वीक्स आरबीआई का भी नोटिफिकेशन उसके पीछे ही आ जाएगा. इट मीन्स दैट सेबी और आरबीआई में हर बार थोड़ा सा गैप होता है. बोथ ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस मेंटेन दैट. ये पिछले सालों में भी देखा गया है इन दी पास्ट ईयर्स. कंसिडरिंग दैट यू विल गेट फिक्स्ड रजिस्ट्रेशन टाइम फॉर आरबीआई पर से आपको बहुत अच्छा 1 मंथ मिल जाएगा. देन अगस्त में यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट योर फेज 1 एग्जाम. मैंने पहले ही बताया था व्हाट आर द डेट्स. अगस्त, सैटरडे संडे, इन दोनों में से ही आप देख सकते हो. फर्स्ट सैटरडे संडे नहीं तो सेकंड सैटरडे संडे, इस पे आपकी अगस्त में फेज 1 एग्जाम हो सकती है. सितंबर में आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो फेज 2 एग्जाम. नाउ इफ यू कंसिडर ऑल ऑफ दिस, आपको कितना टाइम मिलता है फॉर योर ओवरऑल प्रिपरेशन फॉर फेज 1 एंड फेज 2. ओवरऑल इफ यू सी फेज 1 फेज 2 आपको इन टोटल 90-95 डेज मिलेंगे, बट फॉर फेज 1 स्पेसिफिकली यू आर गेटिंग गुड 70 to 65 डेज. ठीक है. सो इन दिस यू कैन डेडिकेटेडली प्रिपेयर, रिवाइज एंड मेक योर प्लान ऑल्सो फॉर दीज 70-65 days for your RBI Grade B phase 1 exam specially. Now eligibility, all the students would be knowing. Simple, age limit is nothing but 21 to 30 years, before 30 years. ये बस एक याद रखना. Second thing, category wise, here age relaxations have been given. जाके नोटिस आप प्रीवियस ईयर की नोटिफिकेशंस में देख सकते हो. ओके, these won't change as much. Second doubt of students is that sir result, ठीक है, आई एम इन फाइनल ईयर, एम आई एलिजिबल. सो एक सिंपल सी बात है, वॉट एवर डेट हैज बीन गिवन इन द नोटिफिकेशन, प्लीज आप क्रॉस चेक करें दैट जो भी आपकी रिजल्ट की डेट है, यू शुड हैव रिजल्ट्स इन योर हैंड बिफोर द डेट विच हैज बीन मेंशन्ड इन द नोटिफिकेशन. ठीक है. सो हियर्स एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डिटेल टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर इन द फाइनल ईयर एंड हु वांट टू गिव द आरबीआई ग्रेड बी एग्जाम. If your results are not in your hand, it's fine, you can give it in the year of 2025 too. क्वालिफिकेशन ग्रेजुएशन लेवल पे अगर आप देखते हो कितना परसेंट, यस 60%, एंड पोस्ट ग्रेड अगर आप हो तो 55%. इतना ही जानना जरूरी है. लुक एट द प्रीवियस एग्जाम डेट्स. अगर आप देखते हो तो दीज आर द प्रीवियस एग्जाम डेट्स. ये आपकी है 2023 की. ठीक है. वैकेंसीज 291 थे और ये आपकी डेट्स थी. अब इलेक्शन आया है तो आगे बढ़ चुकी है. सो एग्जाम पैटर्न व्हेन वी लुक एट आरबीआई ग्रेड बी एग्जाम का पैटर्न, फेज 1, फेज 2, फेज 3 आपको पता ही होगा. फेज 1 में होते हैं 4 सेक्शंस. ऑल द 4 सेक्शंस आर हैविंग सेक्शनल कट ऑफ्स एज वेल एज ओवरऑल कट ऑफ्स. ठीक है. फेज 2 में 3 पेपर्स आर देयर. पेपर 1 इंग्लिश डिस्क्रिप्टिव, पेपर 2 ईएसआई, पेपर 3 फाइनेंस एंड मैनेजमेंट, एंड पेपर फेज 3 इज नथिंग बट इंटरव्यू. एक बेसिक यहां पर स्ट्रक्चरल यू कैन टेक अ स्निपशॉट इफ यू डोंट नो अबाउट इट. देन कम्स ओवरऑल गाइड इफ यू वांट टू प्रिपेयर फॉर आरबीआई ग्रेड बी एग्जाम. सिंपल है. if you look at any competitive exam, and I'm talking about tough exams like RBI Grade B, exam pattern, phase 1, phase 2 और इंटरव्यू का भी आपको मालूम होना चाहिए कि how this phase 1, phase 2 is carried and what are the different components of it. सिलेबस पता होना चाहिए कि क्या सब्जेक्ट्स है और उसमें क्या क्या टॉपिक्स है, सब टॉपिक्स है, चैप्टर्स है. प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स के थ्रू जाना चाहिए टू अंडरस्टैंड टॉपिक्स, डिफिकल्टीज एंड ट्रेंड एनालिसिस, हाउ द क्वेश्चंस आर आस्क्ड, व्हाट द क्वेश्चंस आर आस्क्ड एंड फ्रॉम वेयर टू स्टडी. सोर्सेस फ्री हो सकते हैं, पेड हो सकते हैं. फ्री यूट्यूब, पेड ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन गो फॉर कोर्सेस. When I am talking about courses, I already will tell you that if you are a student who thinks that कि the time has gone to prepare for RBI Grade B exam, 2 month में कैसे हम cover करें या फिर how can I clear this exam at least for phase 1. So here I will bring you, we have brought crash course for RBI Grade B 2024 phase 1 as well as phase 1 for phase 1 and phase 2. So personalized mentorship program which will provide you guidance for 75 days. That means whatever days are remaining, you will get guidance from All India Rank 1, Mr. Anil. Other than that, you will also get 30 days, one session with doubt mentors to solve all of your doubts. It may be quant, reasoning, English. Here RBI Grade B phase 1 live crash course, all the classes are live here, okay? And this crash course I'm talking about, we will make overall coverage of quant, reasoning, English, GA completely so that you are ready and you will clear phase 1 exam at least. If you're that student who is targeting phase 1 plus phase 2, you can definitely go for RBI Grade B crash course. Phase 1 and phase 2, this is our batch 2. Batch 2 in the sense here you could see most of our batches are second batches. So we are giving you a second chance. If you're still that student who is already preparing, then definitely you can use these courses as revision. If you are that student who needs guidance, I have courses, or maybe I don't want just a course, I want guidance, you can go for personalized mentorship program. And if you're that student who thinks that I have still not touched anything, these crash courses are nothing but complete courses, but at a fast pace. So definitely one of the really good one-stop solution courses through which in short duration you can prepare for RBI Grade B exam 2024. Now let us come back again to our overall strategy which we were discussing. So strategy plan is very, very important, and to personalize it according to your strength and weakness. When we are talking about 3 things which are very, very important as a guide for RBI Grade B exam: understanding the exam, strengths and weaknesses analysis through, and then according to that making the plan, your availability and covering the syllabus along with revision, and then it's preparation which includes self-study also, as well as whatever courses if you are taking, following them rigorously. Now when phase 1 is there, you all would be knowing about the overall phase 1 pattern here. General awareness, quantitative aptitude, English language, reasoning, number of questions here has been given, number of marks and duration has been given. Total 200 marks and total time is 120. Each section has a sectional cutoff and overall cutoff is also there. We'll discuss about the cutoff analysis in our next slide. Then comes phase 2. Phase 2, I told you, paper 1, economic and social issues, finance and management. These 3 subjects are combination of objective as well as descriptive. Paper 1 is ESI, objective and descriptive, total for 100 marks. English descriptive, completely descriptive part 100 marks. Finance and management togetherly for 100 marks, again objective and descriptive. So here all these 3 papers are there, and definitely here for descriptive also options are given. Here for objective 30 questions are there. Objective part is 50% and descriptive part is 50%. So this breakup I hope you are knowing. We can discuss it later in our one of the other videos. Personality interview when we are talking about, so phase 3 which we are calling, it is the interview stage. It is of 75 marks. Earlier it used to be for 50 marks, okay? So 75 marks, as marks have increased, now interview also is very, very important. On an average, people get 40 to 50 marks out of 75. Now let's come to cutoff analysis. For phase 1, for last 5 years, this is the overall cutoff. Then for phase 2, when we are looking at, this is the overall cutoff. And phase 2 plus interview marks, when you add both, out of 375, this is your overall cutoff. If you clear this overall cutoff, you become an RBI Grade B officer. You can take the screenshot if you want more clearly. For phase 1, we all know apart from this overall cutoff out of 200, there is also sectional cutoff. For example, in the year of 2023, Quant 4.5 was the sectional cutoff, Reasoning 9, English 4.5, and again GA when we are talking about, it was I guess 11 to 12 marks. These are the mistakes for QRE and GA. Here you can definitely note this. If you see GA coverage, multiple resources, these are the things which people fall into and they make mistakes. For quant, lack of practice, solving all the questions, ego solving, and in English, the speed of reading and even typing. So these are some of the mistakes you can avoid. Now comes the overall trend analysis. You can see for last 5 years from quant, which are the topics which are repeated and how much questions are asked in each year. Then for reasoning, each year, these are the subtopics and how much marks have been coming from this each of the topics. You will understand that from this particular table for quant why DI and arithmetic is important, because number of questions have been repeated. Similarly for puzzles, critical and logical reasoning, why these topics are important, why data sufficiency, why coding decoding is important. See the number of marks for last 5 years. This is really a good analysis which has been made. Then GA, here you could see similar analysis. Similarly, go for English, and here you could see that overall QRE and GA we have completed. So through these tables you will understand that which questions have been repeated, why RC is important in English, why clothes test is important in English. So we have made an analysis and various videos also. Definitely you can take the screenshot and keep it with you. For phase 2 exam, we all know English descriptive, whatever writing is there, essay, précis, and reading comprehension. Here practice is the key. Other than that, ESI syllabus you would be knowing about. Now we are jumping into phase 2. So ESI syllabus we know. This is the important section or important topics or chapter from the ESI. Then comes finance. These are the topics which are very, very important for finance. Then comes the suggested referential material, but definitely if you are a person who doesn't need course but just need notes and test, then we have also launched RBI Grade B Learn Pack, which gives you crisp notes and top quality test. You can even go for that. Then management also, this is the syllabus, you can go through it. Trend analysis of ESI if you see for last 3 years, because last 3 years only the descriptive exam is there. Objective, these are the sections which are mostly repeated. From here you will understand why government schemes reports are important. Descriptive part for ESI, these are the topics which are very, very important. Trend analysis for finance and management, again why management, static, finance, current affairs, RBI circular are very, very important. You will understand from this trend analysis. Then finance descriptive, again these are the topics which are very, very important. And lastly management descriptive topics which are very, very important. Through this you will again understand which are the topics which you have to follow and prepare first. RBI circular for example in finance, or maybe management static. So this trend analysis should be with you. Then again section wise cutoff for the last 2023 year, okay, here has been given. Aggregate cutoff also has been given. If you see salary, then I already told you the salary is how much. Yes, you can expect salary of 1,27,545. okay, basic pay is almost, if you see, it is 60 to 70,000. okay. Then job profile also you would be knowing about. RBI has multiple departments. Each department has different responsibilities and roles. Salary you would be knowing, you will be joining as an manager, not assistant manager as in SEBI and NABARD. So manager, then grade C, assistant general manager, deputy general manager, and chief general manager. So through this you will understand that most of the things we have covered in this particular video. So for all the students who always dream about that, I want to prepare for RBI Grade B exam, but I never get the opportunity. I hope that through this 15 minutes, I have made it clear that it is possible and it is really very, very real that you can not just prepare, but clear and ace in this exam. Whatever resources I have showed, you can choose them anytime you want. Thank you very much and see you next time.